This is the Singer Model 404 that's for sale on Craigslist in Tempe, Arizona. It's been fully restored, and this I'm just going to demonstrate that it's working. And everything on this machine is vintage, except I put a new electronic foot pedal or speed controller on it. The other was in very poor shape, and they're a carbon stack, so they can get quite warm when you sew, and they are hard to control, slower speeds. And this electronic one gives you really excellent control at slow speeds. I'll show you what I mean here. So if you're doing some detail work, or you're turning a corner or so forth, you know, you can really go slow and control. And you can control at any speed. And of course it gives you a full range of speed. So that's why this is not original. Let me thread the machine here, and then we'll just sew a little bit, and I'll show you. You can sew on this machine everything from very delicate up to garment leather, canvas, duck cloth, upholstery, draperies, clothing, denim, so forth. This is just facial tissue here, just to show some delicate here. And it has a reverse by putting this up, and you can do it on the fly, meaning you can do it like when you come to the end of a seam and you want to back tack a little, you don't have to stop sewing. And it is a straight stitch machine. You can do from the longest stitch of about 6 per inch, which is about a 4 millimeter long stitch, a little over 4 millimeter. And you can do down to about 25 stitches per inch, or even finer, using like a number 9 needle, so forth. So let me just get some long stitches here. And like I said, you can sew very slow. You're going to be turning the corner. Or you can sew very fast. I mean, you got to remember, this is a domestic machine. People like to advertise this on eBay as you know, industrial. That's not true at all. This is a home machine, a domestic machine. But Singer did make it heavy duty, heavier metal up in here and on the bar, and bigger counterweights and so forth. So at the end of this video you're watching, I'll put a link to a series I did of a full restoration, not of this exact machine, but this model, so you can see what gets done to these machines when I work on them. I've got 400 restoration videos on the channel that you're welcome to watch. You know, glance at them so you can see the kind of work I do. That's it. Thanks.